All right, we are going to be solving for a missing side. Notice in this problem, it's actually a hypotenuse. And so we are looking at using trig. So if you want to write SOHCAHTOA across the top, just to have a quick reference. Okay, we're standing at the angle with the 52, and they gave us this adjacent side, and we're looking for the hypotenuse. So which trig function uses a and h? This is a cosine, a ca. So we say the cosine of 52 is equal to the adjacent over the hypotenuse. And because it's got the variable on the bottom, it's going to be the one that divides. First, we multiply to get the variable up, and then divide by the cosine. So we're going to be doing in our calculator 14 divided by the cosine of 52. And we get 22.74 U for units. Okay, over here we've got this degree of 69 degrees in this bottom reference angle. We've got an opposite with the 13, and we're looking for the hypotenuse. Which trig function uses the O and the H? You got it, it's a sine function. So sine of 69 degrees is equal to the opposite over hypotenuse. So again, this is a divide one. (13) divided by sine of 69. 13.92. Standing here, going for an opposite, and they gave us an adjacent. Notice that there's no hypotenuse in this one. This is a TOA. Tangent of 22 is equal to opposite over adjacent. So we're going to put into the calculator 19 times the tangent of 22. (7.68). And this one is having you do an actual picture to visualize, where if they tell you that the sine of A is 20 over 21, then you know that the opposite is 20 and the hypotenuse is 21. And so in order to, the tangent of A is 20 over 21. So your opposite over your adjacent are what's given to you, and they want to know the sine of A, which is going to be the opposite over this unknown. So let's call that hypotenuse X, and let's go do Pythagorean to get it. So we'll go 20 squared plus 21 squared is equal to our unknown hypotenuse squared. Go ahead and grab your calculators and do 21 times 21. All right, 400 plus 441 is 841. And if I square root that just to see if it happens to be a perfect square, it is. It's 29 units. So we just found out that X is equal to 29. So when they asked for the sine of A, it's opposite over hypotenuse. And there you go. 20 over 29 is your answer. So what's this little list down here? This little list is just a couple other things to make sure you know. And there's also going to be a practice, an extra credit practice final that we do in class. Thank you.